Hi friends, today our topic is types of chemical reactions. Already we have done about combination, decomposition, displacement and double displacement. So see here simply what is combination. See here A plus B which will give rise to AB. Two or more substances which are involving in chemical reaction and forming a single product. See here what is it? A reactants means the substance which involve in chemical reaction are called reactants. Okay, these are reactants. And the substance which are formed in a chemical reaction are called products. Okay, products. This is clear? Okay. Decomposition. What is decomposition here? Decomposition is nothing but single reactant which will form a two products A plus B. Okay, single reactant forming two products here. Opposite to combination reaction. Opposite to combination reaction is nothing but decomposition. So what is displacement? Here displacement means high reactive metals will replace in place of low reactive. No, low reactive it will remove and it will replace in the place of high reactive elements will replaces here. So see here A plus BC gives rise to AC plus B here. Okay, single. Double means here what is happening? Double means here double displacement. See here AB plus BC. Two compounds in which ion exchange, inter-ion exchange will take place and form a two different compounds AC plus BD. This kind of reactions are called double displacement reactions. So here what? Combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement. So two reactants involving forming a single product. Reactant which is giving two products. Here replacing high reactive with low reactive. Here two compounds in which inter-exchange of ions and forming a compounds. Let's see about redox reactions. So before going to know about redox reaction, we have to know about oxidation. What is oxidation and also reduction? We should know about these two. Okay, I'll explain it clearly. Just have a look on this. Okay, which are more important. Everyone have to know about this. Okay, see here oxidation. Oxidation. What is oxidation? So addition of oxygen is nothing but oxidation. Removal of hydrogen is nothing but oxidation. You find loss of electrons is also oxidation. Addition of oxygen is oxidation. Removal of hydrogen is oxidation. Loss of electrons is also oxidation. So see here oxidation. For example, see here copper plus oxygen which is giving rise to copper oxide, which is unbalanced equation and which is balanced according to the valency of the elements. See here valency. So here 2. Now it is balanced in the reaction about oxidation. See here copper. From here to here copper becomes copper oxide. So what's happened? Oxygen is adding. Addition of oxygen here. So addition of oxygen is nothing but what? Oxidation. So this is oxidation. Okay. The same way see other example also. See zinc plus oxygen gives rise zinc oxide. This is unbalanced. So it is balanced, no? So see here zinc. Here to zinc oxide. Addition of oxygen. So addition of oxygen is nothing but oxidation. Okay, it is clear now. So see other example also. I'll write here Okay, H2S plus Cl2 gives rise, see here, HCl plus S. See here, H2S plus Cl2 gives rise HCl plus S. So what is happening from here to here? See, H2S to S, it loses hydrogen. Loss of removal of hydrogen is what? Removal of hydrogen is nothing but oxidation. Oxidation means what? Removal of hydrogen. So this is also one of the example for oxidation. So it is clear? Yes. So let's discuss about reduction. So see here, simple. If it is understand, it is simple only. Reduction. So see about reduction. Reduction here, addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen. Okay, addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen is nothing but reduction. Addition of oxygen is oxidation. Now here removal of oxygen. See here, addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen is reduction. Removal of oxygen is reduction, and also gain of electrons. Gain of electrons is also nothing but reduction. For example, here see, example, first one, copper oxide, hydrogen. See here, H2O plus copper, it will form. See here, copper oxide to copper. See here, removal of oxygen means what? Removal of oxygen is nothing but reduction. Removal of oxygen is reduction. See here, this is reduction, for example. Okay, this is one example for reduction. And see second one, H2 plus Cl2 gives rise to HCl. See, H2 plus Cl2 which gives rise to 2HCl. See what is happening here, HCl2 is there, Cl2 HCl. Here addition of hydrogen taking place now. Addition of hydrogen is what? Reduction. Okay, addition of hydrogen is nothing but reduction. So this one clear? Okay, so let's talk about redox reaction. Clearly, oxidation we have done, reduction we have done. So redox reaction, fifth one from the types of chemical reactions. Redox reactions. So what is redox reaction? Just see here, oxidation with reduction together called redox reactions. For example, see here how it will be like, H2S plus Cl2 which will give rise HCl plus Cl2. Here 2 moles. Okay. H2S plus Cl2 gives us 2HCl plus Cl2. See what is happening from H2S to, see here, H2S plus Cl2, HCl plus here S, 2 moles here. Okay. See here from simply here H2S plus Cl2, no? So H2S to S, what is happening here? H2S to S, what is happening here? Here hydrogen is removing, no? Removal of hydrogen means what? Removal of hydrogen is reduction. No, oxidation. Removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen is nothing but oxidation. Okay. See, from chlorine to hydrochlorine. Chlorine to hydrochlorine. What is happening here? Hydrogen is adding. So addition of hydrogen is nothing but reduction. No? Reduction. So addition of hydrogen. This is reduction. Okay. In the reaction, both are taking place, oxidation, reduction. Which kind of reactions are called? Redox reactions. Okay. Simply easy only. Now let's see about other examples. CeO plus H2 gives rise H2O plus Cu. So what is happening here? Just have a look on this. Copper to copper oxide. What is happening here? Copper to copper oxide. Yes, copper to copper oxide. Removal of oxygen. No? Removal of oxygen means reduction. Okay. This one clear? So see here, H2 to H2O. Addition of hydrogen is nothing but, addition of oxygen is nothing but oxidation. See here, addition of oxygen. Here, removal of oxygen. So addition of oxygen is oxidation, removal of oxygen is also nothing, is reduction. So do you understand it is clearly now? Which are simple types of chemical reactions, most important and are simple if it is understand. So have to know about this clearly, everyone. So in this I just want to explain you about neutralization reaction and also precipitation reaction here. So two reactions, which reactions are called? Neutralization and precipitation reactions. Now I will explain. Just see here. First, neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. In a chemical reaction, both salt and water will form. When an acid and a base, acid plus base form, which will involve in a reaction and form a salt plus water in a chemical reaction. These kind of reactions are called neutralization reactions. So see here, acids nothing but HCl, like that. Bases like NaOH. What's happened here? NaCl plus H2O will form. These kind of reactions are called neutralization reactions. Okay. Precipitation reactions. See here. Precipitation reactions. Precipitation reaction in which, in a reaction, if the precipitate will form, those kind of reactions are called precipitation reactions. Okay, if a precipitate is formed in a reaction, those kind of reactions are called precipitate reactions. Okay, so see here how it will be. If AgNO3, okay, AgNO3 which will react with if NaCl, what will happen? AgCl plus NaNO3 will form. Okay, plus and so this is a precipitate, PPT, precipitate. So in this reaction, precipitate is forming. No, those kind of reactions are called precipitation reactions. These are also most important reactions. So everyone learn this clearly. I hope which will be useful for you. So thank you everyone. Thank you.